Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make these alphabet templates. So here I use Photoshop, and this is the font we're going to use. I will put the link down in the description box. Now let's start. So here I am going to change the effect of the letter and right click on the text layer and click the blending option. So here are the settings that I use. Drag the canvas guide using the move tool. So here I'm going to measure the height of the letter. So now I'm going to copy the text layer to change it to other letters. Now it's time to save and print. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, just hit the subscribe button. Have a good day.